Hello everybody, this is going to give you a brief overview of how to search Encyclopedia Britannica from our databases. It's very straightforward, usually like what I like to call these just the academic version of Wikipedia. So really the searches can more or less be pretty basic. You do have advanced search options where you can put in more words, you can do exact phrasing, you can do things without words, so it's not really the same type of advanced searching that you can do with like more academic databases. But again, with Encyclopedia Britannica, I usually just recommend just do basic searches. It's usually the easiest way to search these, and really honestly just approach this like it was Wikipedia. Honestly, it's search is pretty much the exact same way. So the way you will search for anything here, just type in your search term or search terms in the search box there. A lot of times it will give you some of these auto-formulated options here. You can click on this, or you can just go ahead and click on the search box there. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it's going to take me to my topic page. That is pretty much it. You can just start reading through the article down here. Again, this is a pretty lengthy article. You do have a table of contents section over here, so if you want to just like skip to a specific area, let's say I just wanted to look at climate research on here, you can go to that specific area, get your information. But that's pretty much it in terms of searching and actually looking at the information. If you do want to get a citation for this information, the place you go to for that is right here, the little checkbox. If you hover over it, it'll say cite. Click that and it will bring up the cite effort here. Now, as it says here, while every effort has been made to follow citation rules, there are always discrepancies, so just always, pay close attention to them, but for the most part, these are usually spot on. They're usually not too bad. But you can get different types. You can get MLA, APA, Harvard, Chicago Manual Style, whichever citation style you need. But you have it right there. You can just copy it and paste it and use this. Again, even if it's not exactly correct, at least it's going to give you all the information you need to construct a proper citation for this article. But either way, they're usually pretty good. So that's the way that you search using Encyclopedia Britannica. This is the way you look through your article when it comes up. And this is also the way you find the citation information for this article and for Encyclopedia Britannica. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for viewing the video, and good luck using Encyclopedia Britannica.